tea, calling me the honey in your bee. Anything you want, baby boy, I believe. Oh, what am I looking for? Say my God, he don't bless me. Oh, he gave me you, gave you me. And you are the light in my day. You're right in my day. When I see you, I know I'd be okay. Yes, and you are the one that I feel. And you know that.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Easter to you guys. Today is April 4th, 2021. Happy new month. I don't think I said happy new month in the vlog that is going to be going up today. I think the vlog should have gone up now. The time is 11:30. I'm just waking, well, I'm not just waking up, but my plan was to start cooking at 7 a.m. so that I can have the rest of the day probably sleeping. But no, I was just on bed, well, trying to edit the video for today. And what else did I do again? Then I think I attended mass online, but I couldn't catch like the first, so I kept on scrolling. Most of the parishes I saw had already, you know, they were already in the Holy Communion part, so I was able to find one that was starting at the Gloria. If you're a Catholic, you'll be able to relate. So I had to join that one instead of going to search from the one that you know, started the mass from beginning, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Anyways, happy Easter to you guys again. Today I'm going to be trying CCMA's beef kebab, but I'm just going to be switching it up a little bit. I was supposed to add chicken, but I couldn't get chicken because we usually buy our chicken from Costco, and it was just like a long shot just going to Costco just because of chicken. So Stanley had to buy another turkey box yesterday when he went to the African store. I'm going to be showing you guys, and I brought out like 2 packs of turkey. You guys remember that I packed them in Ziploc bags, so I'm going to be using turkey. I'm going to see if I can strip off some of, not the skin, like inside the flesh or the skin, I don't know, and try to mix it up with the beef. I also couldn't get beef, so I'm going to be using goat meat I bought from the African store sometime last year. Anyways, so that's the plan today, and that was the reason why I thought I was going to wake up early, but only God knows, maybe 5 p.m. now when this food goes done. And I'm just thinking of breakfast ideas for the house. I may make French toast for them. You guys know I don't eat French toast. Or I think we've had a lot of eggs in the past few days, so I was thinking of just making like regular toast, not French toast, just regular toast. But anyways, whatever that happens, I want to start cooking now. It's already late. Let me just show you guys the box of turkey. So this is the turkey box. I'm just going to be putting them in Ziploc this morning as well. These are the turkey. There's the turkey bag I brought out yesterday. This is goat meat, and this is cow food. I don't know what I want to be using the cow food to do, but I was craving it last week. That's why I told my landlord, because he was the one that went to the African store. I told him to get me cow food, but I wasn't able to cook it last week. So I'm going to be cooking my turkey and the goat meat together. The oil that comes out from this cow food is not healthy, so I'll probably just cook it separately. But the goat meat and the turkey, I'll be cooking them together because I'm going to be stripping some of the skin here to do beef/turkey kebab or skewers. All right then, see you guys. It's pretty much looking like my beef and turkey. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be putting inside. I may not show you guys. I have garlic powder, I have my curry here, this is ginger, grounded ginger, I have my salt, this is rosemary, This is ground thyme, and I have my seasoning cube somewhere. I'm going to just grab that quickly. I'll do this, and I'm going to set the pot. Let me just even turn it on now. I'm going to set the pot to poultry because I won't put meat because the meat here is so small. So I'm going to set it to poultry, and it's 11 minutes. So guys, I finished packing up my turkey, and I have like 6 ziplocs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is here. So I'm just going to be putting them in the fridge, hopefully this last day of May. Yeah, because the last one I bought, I think I bought it in towards the end of February or so. Yeah, I can't remember, but you guys can remember because I vlogged about it. And this is just the empty box. I'm going to be getting rid of this. Put this. I already turned off my turkey, turned off the instant pot. I want to make French toast for my family people. It's already, look at the time guys, 1:24. I'm not even make breakfast or lunch or anything. And I made ukwa a couple of days ago, so that's on Good Friday because we're not supposed to eat meat. So I'm going to be eating the ukwa while I'm cooking. So I'm just going to quickly make French toast, and these are all my ingredients for my beef kebab. This is bell peppers, the orange one, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onions, and this is onions I'm going to use to make jollof rice. And I changed my mind, I'm making jollof rice. I'm just going to be putting this in the jollof rice. It's going to be really small, but instead of having to put it in the fridge, let it just be somewhere. And this is my pepper for my beef kebab.
Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Listen, Jerusalem, ikayala me.
Hey guys, I just finished having my bath now. The time is 7:14. You can see that the sun is trying to set. Yeah, so I'm just going to go and eat now, and I think that's pretty much everything. But if there's any other thing I get to do, I'm going to let you guys know. But I'm just going to go and eat and probably just Netflix for a bit, then try to see if I can edit some videos. You guys would have noticed I haven't been uploading weekday videos like I would normally would do. Normally would do. So just it's hot, but don't mind me, I'm wearing sweat. I'm going to go downstairs. Downstairs is hotter than it is up here. So I'm just getting ready. Anyways, like I said, whatever it is I'm going to do, I'm just going to let you guys know. I may extend the vlog till tomorrow, Monday, but I'm not sure. But anyways, I hope you guys learned something or two, and whoever that is going to be trying this beef kebabs, like I said, it was inspired by CCME. So all right guys, I'll see you guys shortly. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday, the 5th of April 2021. I know I said I may just end the vlog there or probably just extend it to today. Well, yeah, I'm extending it to today, Monday. I have a makeup job to do today. My client's supposed to be here for 10. I just finished working out not too long ago. Yes, I've started working out again after like 3 months. That's why you haven't really been seeing updates from me. Well, hopefully in the future I'm going to just let you guys know the reason why I stopped working out. But I resumed sometime last week, but I didn't want to make a noise about it. But yeah, so I'm letting you guys know I resumed working out again after 3 months. So like I said, I'm having a client over today. It's her birthday, so she just wants to get her makeup did and probably take some nice pictures. I'm just going to be showing you guys setup. Nothing so fancy, nothing so serious. You can see that, yeah, like my face is glowing, the ring light is on. Let me just flip my camera over and show you guys. I'll probably just show you guys what the finished look looks like, because I don't think I want to be filming the entire process. I don't think I want to, occupy my memory card with such long videos unless there was someone at home, that could help me keep pausing and playing and pausing. But anyways, long story cut short, I'm going to show you guys my setup. So I really don't like to get things out a lot. So I have my powder palette here from Real Makeup. This is my Aloe Magnet by BMO. Eyeshadow palette. I really love this palette. It's just versatile. It's something I can use to create really simple looks, like everyday makeup look. I have my Tara eyeshadow palette still here. I sprayed some hand sanitizer spray. I already did that on the table and some of my tools just to disinfect it. And I just have like pretty stable things here. I have my Rimmel Stay Matte, Royal Makeup moisturizer, Royal Makeup setting spray and facial mist, and some of the Royal Makeup foundations behind. The rest of the things I like to keep them here so that I don't clutter my table. And when I'm done, I'll just take like a paper towel here, especially for the brushes, lay it on the table and keep my dirty brushes there. So the rest of the things are here, and for now these are the only things I think I need. I used to lay everything on the table, but thanks to this box, it's just very easy for me to reach out for things. I don't have to bring everything out on the table. So this is where my client is going to be sitting. This is the apron. I'm sure you guys have seen me, have seen this. For those who have bought the bonnets, yeah, it's the same fabric. And I have my ring light turned on and my camera on my ring light. Well, yeah, that's pretty much the setup. So I'm just going to be showing you guys from here. I like to lay something like a mat on the floor. That way, maybe foundation spill, it doesn't get on the carpet. So yeah. And that's me. So guys, I'll let you guys know when I'm done with the entire look. I'll let you guys know when I'm done with the full makeup. If I get to film it, if I don't get to, I'm not sure, but whatever it is, I'm going to see you guys pretty soon. And I hope you have yourself an amazing week ahead. Bye guys.